weekly basis or anong basis ng pagbigay ng pera?
Weekly basis po ito.
Weekly.
Opo.
So i-total mo yung number of containers na pinapasok mo and you give the equivalent amount based on the 170,000 per container na agreement.
Yes po yun.
And that's anong araw yan binibigay?
Tuwing Friday po ito.
Fridays. So cash, no? Sabi mo.
Cash po.
Okay, now to the Bureau of Customs. Sir, have you heard of these things going on prior to your assumption ba of your current position?
Your Honor, prior to my assumption, I've not...
Heard.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, but nga yun, you've heard of it.
From the...
Stories.
Yes, Your
Oh,
Honor.
but never na may nahuli kayo, may pinosecute kayo or anything like that.
I am not aware, Your Honor. I'll
You
have
are not
to check.
aware?
Yes, sir.
Di ba? Sa dami ng pinapasok nila, wala kayong na-prosecute man lang na, that's 100 containers a week.
I have to check our records, Your
You
Honor.
have to check. Okay. Mr. Guban, na-mention mo rin tong